that we haven't shown you guys exactly what our house looks like now. So we thought that we would take you on a tour of our house. It's a mess because he's working pretty much everywhere in the house. So bear with us on that, but we thought you would want to see how everything looks right now. That way you can see what we're dealing with. So this is the front of the house, and you see he's replaced all of these windows, and he has to do those, and the new front door, and eventually a new roof, and this porch won't be on here. He's going to redo all of that, and it'll wrap around to the side, wrap around over here. We have this side porch over here, so that'll be a really nice place to watch the kids play and come outside and hang out and have, you know, birthday parties and things. One thing that we're trying to decide right now is if we want white siding or like a light gray. So comment what you think we should do. I really like both of the ideas. And this is the other side of the house, and eventually here we're going to take all of this landscaping out. I don't have a green thumb, and I would just rather have some simple bushes to take care of. But eventually, right here, it'll be probably many years down the road. We would like to put a garage right here, because in that doorway, that's our mudroom. So that would just be a perfect place to come in after a long day and just come right in through there. And it'll be nicer to be able to park in a garage here instead of that garage over there, carry in groceries and stuff, so that'll be nice. Here's our front door. I'm so proud of this door. We got our Ring doorbell. This thing is amazing. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. And this is the cheapest model, and it works really well. We're really happy with it. This is what he's working on now. This will be the front living room. We're going to have a computer desk over there. Over there, underneath that window, he's going to put a little reading nook. There's going to be a bench, maybe some shelves for books. This wall over here, he is getting ready to take that out now to make it more open concept, and that'll go into our dining room. And then the stairs won't have carpet on them for very long. And I painted that banister a while ago. So I think we're going to do the stairs. They're going to be white and the wood color too. And then this is our living room. Everything is a mess right now because we're all basically living in the living room right now. But anyway, he's going to replace these windows and that window over there. And there's the baby. So he's going to get this done, and we're going to move everything in here, and then he's going to work on this room. Hi, girls.
Hi, Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
All right.
And Daddy's milk.
Here is the dining room. There's our door to the basement. This is maybe going to be like a coffee bar type thing, and this is the doorway into the mudroom where I showed you outside. We would like to put a barn door, sliding barn door here. We're waiting right now for new sliding glass doors with the panes in them. This is the closet that he's going to remove this, and we'll be able to walk through to the other room, and that'll be really nice because it'll be all open. That was where I had my homeschool our girls, so that was where all of our books and stuff were. But I was able to move them into these. We bought these off of Facebook Marketplace, and they have storage, and it's really neat. So anyway, he replaced this window. It was a door, which I'm not sure why they had a door here, because there was a door and then the sliding glass doors. You took that out, made a window there, really nice, lets a lot of light in. Now over here in the kitchen, coffee bar. Yeah, it's very messy. Have everything out of the cabinets because soon he is going to take out that window and these cabinets, and he's going to put in 2 windows. there to let in a lot more light. And then of course I don't like these cabinets, so we're going to do something with those sometime. And then here's our pantry, which you guys have already seen. But I love this so much. Lets in so much light. This is basically the look that we are going for throughout the house. It's nice to have one room done. That way when we have visitors we can say, this is what we're going for. Alright, this is the mudroom. This, obviously, that's not going to be that color, but right here would be a really nice place to have one of those hall trees with the different sections and storage for shoes and storage up above for, you know, different things. And this is our downstairs bathroom. Nothing really to see in here, just everything needs a facelift. Alright, so going upstairs, we just replaced that window the other day. And this is going to be the girls' bedroom, which we've made a video on this before. I'm going to paint that. That's going to be the shiplap wall. It's going to be white, and then of course they want pink walls and stuff. So that over there, it's framed up. That's going to be their closet. It's got the can lights already in. So this is almost done. But I think our plans for this room are to tear out this wall and hook it up to the bathroom that's up here and make it like a master suite for us. So that would be really nice. This is, or it was, our bedroom. He got those two windows replaced on the front of the house. That one needs replaced too. It's pretty much just a clothing storage room. More clothing storage. This is the bathroom upstairs. It's not usable at all. But you can see here, okay, this is good. This is how all of the windows in this house have been. All he did, there's a spider. All he did was take off the trim around the windows. There's the trim, and that's all he did. And look, you can see the outside. That is just the siding. There is nothing there. This is how big the gaps have been around every window that we have replaced. So it is no wonder that we had such a hard time heating and cooling this house, that we have had such a hard time doing that. In addition to no insulation, that is what our struggle has been. So hopefully this winter we are going to have a good winter, having all of these windows replaced and insulating more of the room. This past winter, he decided to find, because the previous owners covered that up. So there was no, like, as you can tell, that was the ceiling. They covered that up, so there was no access to the attic. And we would notice when it would snow that there was no snow on the roof because all of our heat was going up to the attic. And it was also really hard to keep it warm because all of our heat was leaving. So he got up there, and of course there was no insulation, so he got blown in insulation, and we did that. That was very quick, and it made a huge difference. Here in the summer, it's like 90 degrees outside right now, and it's pretty cool in here. Coffee bar